Learn how to make these pantry labels with just a few items that you probably have at home in a little bit of time. So if you wanted some custom pantry labels, look no further, we're going to make them in this video. So you'll need the free printable with the pantry labels, some heavy-duty packaging tape, a popsicle stick, and some scissors. The link is below for the free pantry labels. So to start, you're going to want to add the tape to the printable. You'll just do 1 or 2 pieces per row and just attach like you see here. Repeat this process until all of the words are covered in tape. Don't worry about air bubbles, we will be removing them. So next step is to push out all of the air bubbles and really get in there and make sure everything is attached. This is what's going to allow the ink to come through. Repeat this process until everything is really well stuck on and you don't see any more air bubbles. Next, you're going to want to cut everything down to a label size for each word. So as you see, I'm cutting out the raisins label right here, and I will cut out each one of those. I've set it on fast forward so it speeds up a little time here. Just continue this process until all of them are cut out. Now that all of the labels are in a little bit more of a manageable size, this is where I really got in there and made sure that everything was stuck on nice and well. So I took my popsicle stick and rubbed all of the words again. Now you get a bowl of water, it doesn't matter what temperature, this was room temperature, and you put all of the labels in there. You'll notice that they will curl up and that's totally fine. So go ahead and put all of the labels in there and allow them to soak for about 15 minutes. Now that you've allowed the labels to soak, it's time to remove the paper from the tape. And this process is actually quite simple. It just comes right off like you can see. So you just do this one by one and allow this to dry for a few minutes, and then the tape sticks right to the glass or plastic containers. Once you've allowed the labels to dry, you just attach them to your containers, and as you see, you will have a nicely organized pantry and kitchen. You can download the free pantry label printable. The link is below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.